Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amalia Rahma.
My name is Fatimatu Zahra Hairunisa.
I am Gea.
We are from Group 1. We will present about selection sort by Python. What is algorithm? In mathematics and computer science, algorithms are sequence or steps for counting or for solving problems written by sequence. Thus, programming algorithms are sequence or steps to solve computer programming problems. Next is Big O notation. Big O notation is a mathematical notation used for delimitation of a function when the argument from a function goes to a certain or infinite value. Sorting can be defined as sorting a number of database on certain values. Sorting can be done from the smallest value to the largest value is ascending, and from the largest value to the smallest value is descending. Sorting has 7 methods: bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, shell sort, merge sort, quick sort, and heap sort.
Okay. First, what is selection sort? Selection sort is a sorting method that compares the present element with the next element up to which element lastly. The concept of the selection sort process is looking for selecting the smallest value and exchanging it for element or list for left at each stage. And next is characteristic of selection sort. Characteristic selection sort. Number 1 is the selection sort method is an improvement of the bubble sort method by reducing the number of comparison. 2. Selection sort is a combination of sorting and searching. 3. Selection sort is a method that looks for the largest or smallest data value and then places it in the actual position. And 4. For each process, we will look for unsorted elements that have the small or large value to be exchanged to the right position in the array. Okay, the next is about Python. Python is a multi-purpose interpretive programming language with a design philosophy that focuses on the level of code readability. Python is widely applied to various operating systems such as Linux, Microsoft Windows, macOS, Android, Symbian OS, and others. The advantage of Python is easy to learn even for beginners. Python is able to make very complex programs of scale easy. And disadvantage of Python is quite slow to run, and besides Python is not suitable for doing memory-intensive tasks and multitask. The next is implementing selection sort. The first step is to place the array that we will sort using selection sort. Then find the smallest number from the array. In this case, the smallest number is minus 5. Then change with the first number, the number 5. After exchanging the number, we'll display like this. And then go to the second number and go to the second box, because in box second is the smallest number of the other numbers. The location is fixed because there is no exchange anymore. Then go to box the number 3. From box 3 to 8, it turned out there the smallest is number 2. Then the number 2 is shifted into box 3 because box 3 is greater than number 2. Go to box number 4. Check if there is the smallest number from the number in box number 4 is there number 4. If there isn't, then there is no need to move. process to box number 5. In this case, box number 5 is greater in value than the box next to it. Then change its position. Next, do the same with box number 5. Go to box number 7, check whether there is a number smaller than the number in box number 7. If there is an exchange again. Because box number 8 is the last number with no comparison, then the final result of the sorting like this.
Okay, this is Python. This is idle for output, and this is now file for save and input. Okay, we start with type input. type all the number you want to sort. Okay. Type in room sort 2. Select the sort. Okay. Finish. File. Save. And don't forget to save. Next, run. Run module. Okay. Finish. For the next, I will presentation about advantages selection sort and disadvantages selection sort. Okay. Advantages selection sort. 1. This algorithm is very tight and easy to implement. 2. Speed up the search. 3. Easily determine the maximum and minimum depth. Next, disadvantages selection sort. Requires additional methods. It is necessary to avoid using more than 1,000 tables of data, and it is hard to recombine. Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.